breath in. This is a very basic TRX hinge. It's an excellent exercise for your hamstrings, your inner thighs, your lower back, your shoulders, your pecs, and your lats. Works a lot of muscles concomitantly. It's an excellent exercise for stretching. Feels really good, by the way. You'll have those TRX straps in medium position. Tabs are right along that angle, and you'll stand facing the anchor point. It's easiest to start where you're in a Frankenstein position. Feet are about twice the width of your hips, certainly wider than shoulder width. Big breath in. You're going to push down on the straps. That's going to pull you forward, and you compensate by pushing your hips back. So I'm not pulling on these, I'm actually pushing my butt away from my hands. Take a long breath into the back of your head here. And on the exhale, continue to push your hips away from your hands. Still not pulling on these. One more long breath in. Push. Very gently. Pull the straps towards you with straight arms and come to full standing right where you started. That's a TRX hip hinge. Excellent stretch. Good one to start your day with.